In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Amazon household feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the Amazon household feature, now also commonly known as Amazon Family, allows you to link up to 2 adult accounts and 4 teens and 4 children together. The first thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and head to your profile icon on the bottom left-hand side of your screen and head inside of accounts. Now, this is where you want to simply go ahead and scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find the Amazon Family tab and select that. Now, this is exactly where you can simply go ahead and add your members, kids profile, and so on. So you can add another adult, so must be 18 or older with their own Amazon account, and then both adults keep their separate account logins and private order histories, but they also share Prime benefits and wallet access. You can add up to 4 teens, allowing them to have their own login and shop with parental oversight and approval. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.